How to turn off S-Mode Windows 11. Using your Microsoft account. Method 1. Open your computer settings. Click Activation option. Click Open Store under S-Mode. Click Get on the Switch out of S-Mode banner. Without a Microsoft account. Method 2. Hold down the Shift key and click Restart. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click UEFI Firmware Settings. Find the Secure Boot area of the UEFI. Select the option to disable Secure Boot. Save and exit the UEFI. Once you exit the UEFI, your PC will reboot. When it comes back up, S-Mode will be disabled. Thanks for watching.